Hi there, let me show you what's included in this Crankie Kit. I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart and open it up. And what you'll see is that the box is pre-drilled with holes. These are for the handles, and there's a acrylic window that you can just open up. And inside you'll find 2 large dowels with 2 of these smaller dowel pins. These are the parts that you'll use to make the handles. And along with those, there's a scroll of paper that's 3 feet long. It already has adhesive front and back, so it's ready to attach as soon as you're finished decorating and designing and drawing and writing your story. And along with all of these parts, you'll also get instructions, illustrated instructions, 8 steps, pretty simple, very basic, takes you all the way through. And really the only thing that you need to create this Crankie Kit is something to draw with to decorate your scroll, and you will be done. And here's an example of what a finished Crankie looks like.